July 4, 1902, Swami Vivekanand passed away at Belur Mutt in Calcutta at the age of 39. Born Narendranath Dutt on January 12, 1863 in Calcutta, his birthday is now celebrated as National Youth Day. At 20, he joined the Sadharan Brahmo Samaj, a branch of Brahmo Samaj. In 1881, he met his guru Ramakrishna Paramhans. After Ramakrishna Paramhansa's death in August 1886, Narendranath took his vows as an ascetic in December and became Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand preached that every soul is divine and urged individuals to manifest this divinity. He represented Hinduism at the World's Parliament of Religions in Chicago on September 11, 1893. In 1897, he founded the Ramakrishna Mission based on Vedanta principle. On July 4, 1947, the Indian Independence Act was presented in the British Parliament, proposing India's independence and the creation of Pakistan as a new country. The act outlined that both nations would be sovereign and capable of drafting their own constitutions. Lord Mountbatten declared partition as the only solution to liberate India. Following royal assent on July 18, 1947, the act was implemented on August 15, 1947. Consequently, Pakistan was formed on August 14, 1947, and India gained independence the next day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India, while Liaquat Ali Khan became the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Alluri Sitaram Raju was born on July 4, 1897 in Moggalu near Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. He is celebrated for leading the Rampa rebellion against the British, mobilizing the tribal people of Vishakhapatnam and East Godavari districts. His forces attacked police stations, killed British officers and stole arms for their cause. Captured and executed by the British on May 7, 1924, Raju was known for his guerrilla tactics, earning the title Manayam Virudu, or Hero of the Jungle. In 1986, the Indian Post issued a commemorative stamp in his honor, and on July 4, 2022, Prime Minister Modi unveiled a bronze statue of him in Andhra Pradesh as a part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD MPhil किसी भी विषय में, डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Pingali Venkaiah, an Indian freedom fighter and farmer, passed away on July 4, 1963. Born on August 2, 1876, he is renowned for designing the Indian national flag. Venkaiah revised the flag's design multiple times and presented it at the 1921 Vijayawada session of the Congress, where Gandhi endorsed it as a symbol of the freedom struggle. The current tricolor symbolizes saffron for courage and sacrifice, white for truth and peace, and green for faith and fertility. With Ashok Chakra in the center, the design was formally adopted by the Indian National Congress in 1931. On July 4, 1884, France presented the Statue of Liberty to the United States as a gift to commemorate America's 100th anniversary of independence. Sculpted by Frederick August Bartholdi with its metal framework by Gustave Eiffel, the statue stands in the New York harbor as a symbol of freedom and democracy. Representing the Roman goddess Libertas, it holds a torch in one hand and a book inscribed with America's independence date in the other. Completed in France in May 1884, it was assembled in US and unveiled on October 28, 1886, originally named Liberty Enlightening the World. On July 4, 1776, the Declaration of Independence marked a turning point in American history as 13 colonies declared their independence from Britain during the American Revolution. Written by Thomas Jefferson and adopted by the Second Continental Congress in Philadelphia, the Declaration aimed to establish a new independent nation and outlined principles for human rights and government purpose. It criticized King George III and asserted grievances. Today, July 4 is celebrated as Independence Day in the US with parades, fireworks, picnics, and festivities honoring the nation's freedom.